Asem Yidika.
In the Becca.
Akwasi Insia.
Commander 6.
Kano said it here.
We me the pa. Osi yenam ko benyina. Nyamene yenam. Yena bisadina. Obeya Mantunya siabotare. Enti nyajidi. Se nyame beye. Obeya mount se wujiridia. Nyame beya mount. Senyor da mane nyode. Enyum ne kama pa. Alopela mitia na say eh. Enyum o maimu. And I go for the Pentecostal line of a friend. And you're not taking a different picture. Man, I depa. I don't pay you do as a Friday moon. So no yaminaka obey. Bibi abeye kolem. And what bamu? Ben Sloate. Now she shall say, obey ye. Aye ye. Jinyamidi. And more be a muabem. Anyway, tight in for so more be a more I'm telling you. There be am cancer some say unya gidi or sa tight to train more. Tight. Nada. Share, yam yasem be no entro. The only donation yakupon na bi no meka say mon fa so mehwe. Asemi mi osro fence in fa mawa. E mo bi anada. For common some the gum ti obi asem to okadi nyina awie no obese na bible necessary ya yidi ma be the ka press mpo na benya kura ti huntutu so dudu fama urade for so ne hwe ka che ze urade me the way so ware according to what Malachi chapter 3 verses 10 na so nyakopon nyansa nkyere ne mfama wa osimie urade na makase mehira we are so bread, mammy, for being calm. I'm on for Tiasia. And yet, my name say, we are wallet to our soul. Benjamin Subish and Ubishao. Made the acquisitions here. Now, whereby, okay, who was our video way? DC way, who said, yeah? One fear no. Whereby was our video, okay? Yet, who said, yeah? Who said, yeah? Who said, yeah?
We have been given the platform to talk. But we are now platform. Because I don't work on maybe the I don't know. Yes, sir. What is it? Eh, you don't get me. Who is your grandma? Daniel Akatia. What do you mean by fear? What do you mean by fear? I'm a president. Then you sit somewhere and behave like you are talking to your co-equal. Am I your co-equal? You know how to behave if you are a hospital worker. Who are you? Why do you have to be?
Someone carrying. Who said chia? By end of the show, go back at chia. Mary Emma Boom for you and your wonder. You didn't have it to Adom. So now pay you didn't come out to Eddie Afa say now chemu eba the weekend. SMBSCC. Na yesim you shame you know about besi o my Ghana. Na Rashe you know madisha wo Asem South here. Reverend Intim Fojo Eddie Ababa to just say sa wiem shenu ba ko efa enubone and free memo and ebasa no ebeye hu moment ye nyina ne yem hwehwe ye because make at that time na ya cheche cocaines be $350 million the street value e be so say the boy be say $150 million ya cheche bi kra ma UK woman be here or so dem on the when ya cocaine be am for no we no fire naka oh you came am say we there for by on so confirm we MN so Narcotics Control Commission pen for no quarantine fee. Now you did the one mampeni His Excellency John Dramani Mama. What about mampeni write up no? Eddie is sending back to the Facebook page. I think Semeka here. This is the first time. Yeah. a president of the republic, but the agency of Asem why issue statement or write up on its Facebook page. This former President John Dramani Mahama, I beg your pardon. 5 days ago, my attention has been drawn to allegations made at a press conference by an honorable member of parliament, Reverend John Intim Fojuo, regarding 2 suspicious flights arriving at the Kotoka International Airport, suspected to be involved in drug trafficking and money laundering. Government takes all allegations seriously, and to ensure a thorough and transparent investigation, I have directed all relevant investigative agencies, including the Narcotics Control Commission, the Police CID, the National Investigations Bureau, and the National Security Coordinator to immediately and fully collaborate with the Honorable Member of Parliament so he provides all necessary information to investigate the allegations and take all action necessary to expose any drug dealing. We will maintain zero tolerance for using Ghana as a transit or final destination for drugs or drug trafficking. The NIB made a high-profile bust of drugs last week with a street value of $350 million. Hashtag, let's build Ghana together. And President John Dramani Mahama with about 6,200 comments. Now, President Mahama did Asem I have directed all relevant investigative agencies, including NACO, Police CID, National Investigations Bureau, and the National Security Coordinator, underline this word, to immediately, and fully collaborate with the Honorable Member of Parliament. Man, fellas, watch for a video no. And then no any answer. Any one say abanka samafo. Honorable fellas, watch ofosu. And so aye video be. Ya video no titi o nyina ne say Asem a Member of Parliament ne kan ya di His Excellency Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, the only person who received national security briefing 2 times in a day without any communication person, but has all the security couples. It's him daily briefing about security. Yet you say fellas be can say Asem presidency ko investigation no enya no kre. Nenti for your kind no enya no kre. Che fellas kwa chofosu.
The disinformation machine of the new patriotic party has been ratcheted up, and they've taken it a notch higher. This time, Reverend Intim Fojuo, who also doubles as the Member of Parliament for the good people of Asem South, has made very wild claims to the effect that 2 aircrafts which passed through Ghana for various reasons were carrying drugs, and that was the reason why they were here. He also alleged that they were involved in money laundering, and therefore he was calling for investigations. As you may be aware, President Mahama gave him the opportunity to present any evidence or any basis he has for making that claim to the security services, so that together we could look into the matter to ascertain whether there was any truth in it. I can report to you that because he knew he was peddling total falsehoods and lies, he now claims, after being invited to assist with investigations, that...
Okay. It had him na issue no war. They say about some about 2 days. Abra, President Mama, a director say, he put up a team. As of Friday, now a fee and the National Security Coordinator, Mampenisha say on put up team together no crano, invite various reps from the various investigative bodies na Mampeni Ebobosono. Fam ko President Mama a statement to be. Now make sure a body no bobosono. As of Friday, say ye ka say, we are yet to even know say Narcotics Control Commission Adom ni pako. We are yet to know, say, Police CID, Adom ni pako. We are yet to know, say, National Investigation Bureau, Adom ni pako. But as of the time, and fellas, so catch there, say, team no afre, Honorable Reverend Intim Fojuo, say he should collaborate. Now the question was, which team? Team benefit Reverend Intim Fojuo. Because there's supposed to be a team President what kind of was it? I have directed all relevant investigative agencies, NACOP, police, NIB, and National Security Coordinator to immediately and fully collaborate with the Honorable Member of Parliament. As of that time, by my issue is Honorable Felix Kwacho Fosu, the president write-up was clear. It was clear. As a Member of Parliament, I can't say, Asem, on what basis? And now bound to conclusion say the Member of Parliament was lying. Honorable, what do you make? President say, oh no, near what he said, the Honorable Member Akenye, or no as Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Ebony who? Niyam Shisheno, and not the Yama Ghana for Yanto Kobonase, etima Yam put your team together. Niya Asem, investigation no crown shall see, and quiet, but Honorable Felix Kwacho for you catch that say. Honorable in team for your a chantro. Why the catch was honorable in team for your chantro? Why the kind Felix? Why the mouse had details no? Now I will say Felix who want more security details at President Anna. The unfortunate side didn't say up to now. President Mahama Trash BM after so way. After sending communication minister, government communication minister, Abeka say, Papa no chantrono. Now Felix is making up believe say the write-up by the president was needless. Because if government communication minister within 2-3 days, able to be evidence to conclude on an allegation. Now, the commander-in-chief, with all his security apparatus, it means details no dear. That means again is serious. Then it means our president might not be on top of issues. His minister. Now, Felix Etre Ekani Semwe Anche, and a doctor or Manibu Amasodi write up to Facebook. And I feel that's a man and command necessary. Nifia da se memreda and a UN Kubata Omonso Eshe Nubonu Jadiaso. Eshe say a bunch of Asem Wimu. UN Nemkrabata Eshe Nuboni Jadimu. And so say, this is an interest matter. It's a bunch of him as directed by the president. Meanwhile, some of the appointees who play key role in this government. So what are we going to investigate? President Mama, do you think say, after the investigation, the outcome can be accepted by Ghanaians? Asem will be under Nanado Danko Kufuado. Asem si ye shemu but na pania babontin enya no kre na sweeping is under the carpet. What is the interest of Felix Kwachi Ofosu in this matter? Because you're supposed to communicate what the president is communicating, not what you think, not what you believe. You don't receive any briefing outside President Mahama. So what were you communicating? You didn't say ya na we say sra neko. Na say am pampa say ni pe bedi ni papa ni say wo manmu a na omde ko. Because ene also na fella starting Asem no the NPP substance of the matter that president one kind one more MPP so how. In fact, what can the honorable member of parliament one for the MPP crowns or so. The president understood. Say you on my Asem. So what you Felisa, the NPP. Now for NPP for some the NDC near Jana Asem the Fifi. Now man for them no me business call. Mr. President, if you're serious about this, Felix Kwacho Fosu need to be talked to. E kaso obi ye nanachi amehina onka semwa nanankan ye asema Felix kan no emu biye ni wa ewo hanom There's no way from a 3, 1, 2, 3 paragraphs. The being of President Mama Boss say, as man the member of parliament in kind of a. So who gave Felix Kwacho Fosu that briefing na young farmer President Mahama? Are we saying the president is naked? Are we saying the president is naked? Say now, dear, the minister, yeah, on your security couple. The minister, yeah, all receive a security briefing. Let me go ahead of the president. Hey, Debbie, are you serious? Hey, Afei Asem na ewo o man bambo ehun sem no. Ye pese di Asem abonten. Ti say honorable intim for your evidence bia na or beto abonten. Why do we do this to ourselves? Look at the kind of picture we are painting about Ghana. Look at the kind of picture we are painting about our country. Tell me, because now me yem shishim say president mama crab also. See a cheap cocaine worth $350 million US. Ewa Ghana. Is serious. Trenocracy adiwade nyina ho kwan. Esunye ni nyina na fata ye. Some of the communications need to be managed well. Because it affects the integrity of Omaino. $350 million worth of cocaine. It be passing through Ghana. Hey! Omaino kwa blasa anti-atenase. Omaino bako there.
I'm just worried about the Biaudi and you know, to the extent that you don't want to believe, say, a president, you know, Ubusa Asem say, or a naked. It will be dangerous for the president to be naked. It's too early, say, president to be naked. But I can only say maybe Kwachu Fosu should take his time when matters are up. It's worrying. If you listen to what you've just said, it means that who gave him that briefing that Omoto is suffering? Because the president talks about a team.
Yeah.
And the team involves the NIB, the National Security, the CID, and other relevant bodies. So who gave him? Have they formed a team? And the team gave him that feedback that they've invited Reverend Intim Fojo, you know. But Akwesi, maybe see because the General Secretary is also here. He has a Facebook post. Akwesi, maybe if you also don't know, so the General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party, Lawyer Justin Kodia, says that hashtag stop drug trafficking Ghana. And I don't know whether it's in relation to the Oka and Wasema.
But my main wish Nana Jima aye from Pom birthday. Where Babao?
Oh.
Where
Nana Jima aye from Pom.
Yeah, aye from Pom.
All right. So on the brighter side of life, it's a happy birthday to Nana Jima aye from Pom.